I'm okay, yeah. Hi Ish, welcome again. I'm so glad to see you after a long time. I know you were somewhere, so I didn't disturb you. And yes, so how it went at your level? You're happy? You use your manifestation to attend that ceremony?
Hi Pooja, yes, it's been a while. Yeah, I was away in India, had gone to attend a family wedding. Yeah, everything went off well. What I manifested in my mind here, visualize it here, and exactly same thing happened. So very, very happy about it. And
Excellent.
yeah, feeling grateful feeling. After meeting, I took my son almost for this wedding, and he has attended wedding after, I don't know, I've lost the count, almost 10, 12 years. So yeah, very grateful. Wedding was it was a very, very happy moment to meet the family members, and everything went very well. Thank you. And yeah, so we are here after almost few days. So just like to ask you a small, since you are into healing and you're so good at it, and so just wanted to ask you that the first thing I think, please tell me what is your learning for these many days when I was missing.
Well, I think you didn't miss a lot. I was
Mhm.
constantly doing the healing thing, and healing is very important part of law of attraction. They say all the blockages that happen in the body and that block your manifestation, if you are not healed emotionally and if any kind of suffering you are going through. So I
Yeah.
learned that healing anything is possible if I use this technique that is Ho'oponopono, where we use four statement. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. So we can heal our emotion. We can heal anything that is bothering us. And that
Right.
was the best thing that I did.
Wow. So you're saying that if I keep saying these four sentences to myself, I
Hmm.
will be healed internally, right? And
Yes.
if I'm having any negative thought or negative emotion, it will automatically be, out from my system. And
Dissolve. Yes.
oh wow, wonderful.
Yeah.
I've heard about this Hokununo. I've not experienced it. I'm definitely going to try.
Yes, excellent. And
Yeah.
the best part is we can heal our relationship because we all
Wow.
go through the relationship, suppose with in-laws, the relationship with brother and sister, the relationship with any that is not working and making you upset.
Mhm.
We can heal that relationship also.
That's wonderful. Hmm.
Yeah. So we can do the little practical exercise on that. Do you
Yeah.
have something that you want to heal? A relationship, maybe friendship, maybe someone in the house doesn't do
Oh
well
wow.
with, yeah. Yeah.
Thankfully, I'm very grateful that at this point, all my relationships, my friendships are going good. But hypothetically, if I just give you a situation, I don't have a sister. And there are times I've heard that, sisters fight a lot. And, though they are each other's best friends, but they do have fights. And if hypothetically I've had a sister, and if my relationship is not that great, how do I heal that?
Okay, the sentences we will say same, but
Mhm.
what we are feeling whenever that relationship comes in your mind, in your heart, the face of the person comes in your mind, you would feel something different, either in the chest or in the mind. So that time you will heal your emotion. So let's say I say I want to heal the relationship between me and my sister or anyone else. So I will say I'm so sorry. Hands on your heart, close your eyes. I'm sorry. I'm feeling like this. I'm not feeling connected. I'm not feeling the bond. I am sorry because I'm missing that bond. I'm sorry. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm feeling always little bit of disconnect. Please forgive me. Forgive me for not feeling connected. Forgive me for feeling uncomfortable. Forgive me for feeling of being judged, being feeling insecure that I am not loved and liked, and I don't feel that I receive love and respect from you. So forgive me for everything that I feel whenever. I think of you, or I think of you as a person. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much. I still love you. Thank you so much because I still believe that you and I, we all are one. We all are same. I love you for creating a connection. I love you for understanding me. I love you for forgiving me and accepting me the way I am. So this way we do the conversational Ho'oponopono. What happens? You are yourself finding the reasons why there is a connection missing. What
So
is,
you, yeah,
yes,
sorry. So that means it is also to do with the self reflection,
yes,
you know,
exactly.
and and then how do I improve the relationship? So I would have to, as you said, that I love you. I sorry if I judged you. You know what? It is more to do with self reflection, which you keep talking, and that's how you feel that your body is healed. You're healed from inside.
Basically, you are acknowledging your emotion.
Acknowledging,
You are
yeah.
acknowledging that I am feeling fearful whether you will judge me on this. So,
Right.
so many things I wouldn't be able to open up
Mm,
because I have the fear of being judged. And
mm.
so the bond is not like this, it is
Yeah,
like this. So
yeah.
sometimes I'm scared that you will judge me, and sometimes maybe I am judging you. You are not thinking
Right.
anything, but I am thinking you are thinking. So it's like it's
Yeah.
like a cycle.
It's
Uh,
like a cycle which you are in and which you need to, come out and
yeah,
think more positive. Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Wonderful.
And it's like when you acknowledge that
Mm,
I'm feeling this, that time what happens? It will get dissolved and you will
yeah.
become more pure as if you did the shower,
Oh, yeah.
inside,
Yeah.
inside. So you become more affectionate one towards yourself because you are
And
saying,
both,
I'm sorry why I'm feeling like this. And you are also saying sorry to the other person because you are saying, I don't know why I'm not feeling connection. I don't know
yeah.
why. So it
Got it.
cleans inside you and it cleans your mind and soul and your thoughts. And then when you see that person, you would
Mm.
be new person then because you just already cleaned. You are saying,
You've showered all your negative thoughts. I really like
yeah,
this line. So
yeah,
my takeaway will be, how do I heal it? I showered all my negative thoughts. Wow,
yeah.
wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful. As I said, I'm repeating it again. Whenever I talk to you, there's always a takeaway. So
Hmm.
this time, from this session, my takeaway is that whenever I feel that I have a disconnection with somebody, or not a very great relationship, because today we are talking about relationship, so you'll have to shower out all the negative thoughts.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is what
Won-
exactly we did. So this is the
Wonderful.
Ho'oponopono for healing your
Yeah.
any situation, any relationship.
Any relationship.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much for showing up and asking me this question. And
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you for always giving
thank
me
you.
the best answers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Talk to
Thank you.
you
All
soon.
right.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye. And
Bye.
yes, for people who are watching this video first time, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like. Lot of thing that we bring, it is on daily purpose, daily usage, so you will get benefit out of it. So thank you so much for showing up and subscribing your channel and liking. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Pooja. Bye-bye.